Rasam and rice is undoubtedly one of the most delicious and nourishing combinations ever. It's my recipe that tastes absolutely delicious with very few ingredients. Since I use very minimal ingredients, I make sure to use the high quality spices for the full punch of flavors. For this recipe, I am using whole peppers from Sonnets by Tata Coffee, one of the finest variety of peppercorns known for exclusive taste and aroma. Crush the spices, combine together crushed pureed tomatoes, water, salt, tamarind pulp, and then this crushed black pepper, cumin, and ginger. Simmer them for 10 minutes, letting the flavors melt beautifully. Finish with chopped coriander. Rasam is done. For the cardamom rice, heat ghee in a pan, add rinsed rice, lightly toast them, add water and salt. Now add cardamom. Again, I have used cardamom from Sonnets by Tata Coffee. It's a single origin premium grade whole cardamom for the great flavor and aroma. Cover and cook till rice is fluffy and fragrant. Now serve the piping hot cardamom rice. Top it with pepper rasam. If you like, you can add extra drizzle of ghee for extra taste. Dig right in and enjoy.